Hello, hi, this is Sharanya Palle with Dr. Mahesh, who's going to answer some of my questions about N95 mask, which is being generally used these days fight against COVID virus, like just to cover our mouth and face. So one of my first question to him is, like, how can I know that the N95 mask I bought is genuine or not?
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mahesh. I'm working as a PG in Gandhi Hospital in General Medicine branch. It's a good question. If you look at your N95 mask, you will note one TC number on your mask. Note down the TC number and you open the Google in your mobile and you type NIOSH TC number check. Then you will get the results like this. You open the first website you see there, and in that one search box will come. In that search box you type your TC number. Then you will get the results. If your mask is genuine one, then you will get the manufacturer name as a result. If your mask is not a genuine one, then you will get incorrect TC number as a result.
Oh, that was a great answer. But I have another doubt. When we have various masks like FFP, N99, N100, P95, R95, why should I only use N95 mask?
Yes, Sharanya. There are various masks available in the market like FFP, N series, R series and P series masks. So before we understand why only N95, we should know basic information about these all masks. So what is FFP? FFP means filtering face piece mask. So among the FFPs, there are three types of FFP like FFP1, FFP2 and FFP3. So FFP1 has filtering efficacy of 80%, FFP2 has filtering efficacy of 94% and FFP3 has filtering efficacy of nearly 99%. So can we use this in corona outbreak situation? Yes, FFP2 and FFP3 can be used in the situation like corona outbreak. And what about N series? And among the N series, N95, N99 and N100 are available. So N95 will have approximately 95% filtering efficacy, N99 99% filtering efficacy and N100 will have approximately 100% filtering efficacy. So N99 and N100 have more filtering efficacy than N95. So can we use them? Yes, we can definitely use them. They have more filtering efficacy. But what is the drawback? The drawback is cost. They cost around approximately 700 rupees for each mask, whereas N95 will cost only 50 rupees for each mask. So what about R and P series? So what does this R and P series basically indicate? These R and P indicate resistant to oil and oil proof masks. So these are basically used in the chemical industries where oil spillage on the mask will have destruction capacity of filtering capacity of the mask. So basically they are not used in the healthcare system because healthcare system does not involve any oil spilling maneuvers.
Okay, that was a nice one. My third question goes like this. Like, how will I know that my mask is properly working or not?
After wearing a mask, place your both hands on the front of the mask like this and you perform sharp inspirations and sharp expressions. During sharp inspiration, you can note slight collapsibility over the edges of the mask and you should note for any air leakages through the mask. During sharp expiration, we can note the slight bulging over the edges of the mask and you should note for any air leakages through the mask. So if any air leakages are seen, you have to refit the mask again and you have to readjust according to the shape of your nose and then you have to perform until there is no air leakage. So in this way, you can, before going to the field, you can know whether your mask is properly fitted to your face or not.
That was a very nice answer from you, Mr. Dr. Mahesh. So I have a last question. Like, this is the N95 mask. I've taken a black color to show you clear. This is an N95 mask. And you can see a valve here, like this I'm showing. You can see a valve here, this one, a white colored valve. May I please know why is that valve placed there and what's the use of the valve?
Yes, there are masks with valves and masks without valves. So before we know about this valve system, we have to know some information. So if you are wearing a mask without valve, and when you are breathing in, the air will enter from environment through the mask surface into the space between nose and inner surface of the mask. So from there, it will enter into your nose. While you are breathing out, the air from nose will enter into the space between the nose and inner surface of the mask, and from there it will exit through the mask surface into the environment. So this is what will happen during when we are wearing a mask without valve. So during this procedure, the air may stuck for some time, so it may cause some breathing difficulty. So when you are wearing a mask with exhalation valve, so during inspiration, the air will as usually will pass through the mask surface, but during exhalation, the air will not pass through the mask surface, but air will pass through the valve. So that the air traffic will not be there and the breathing becomes a little easier. So, can everyone wear mask with exhalation valve? The answer is no. Because an healthy person do not carry any microorganisms, so he can definitely wear a mask with exhalation valve. But coming to sick person, they carry microorganisms within them when they are breathing out. So if the mask with valve is given, the microorganism will exit through the valve, not through the mask. So they directly get exit without getting filtered into the environment. So it is a risk to environment. So the person who are sick should definitely not wear mask with exhalation valve.